Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add background music in WordPress website using plugin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So due to modern browser restriction, music will only play after user interaction with the site. So user click or press any key and then music will play auto. On left side you see plugin. So click on add plugin. Then in search plugin, write background music manager. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side, you see setting and then you see background music manager. So click on it. So we are in background music manager and then you see enable music, enable background music site wide. If you want, you can play only on home page. Playback time seconds, continuous playback, enable this option. Volume, now you see 0.5 we set, and then you see upload track, so you can choose file and then you can upload track. Now you see current track and then click on save changes. Now you see note, due to modern browser restriction, music will only play after user interaction with the site. Now you see clicking or pressing a key. Now go to website page and refresh the page. So we are in contact page and then you see, now you see music play. If you want, you can increase or decrease sound. Now you see, so it's up to you. Again refresh. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.